Imagine a car that blends classic American style, a roaring V8, and a convertible hardtop all in one pristine package. Today we're diving into a 2004 Ford Thunderbird that's so rare, so stunning, and so low mileage it could be the crown jewel of any collection. Stick around because you're about to see why this Thunderbird isn't just a car, it's a statement. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love classic American luxury cars with timeless style, powerful engines, and a touch of exclusivity, today's feature is going to blow your mind. We have a stunning 2004 Ford Thunderbird, a car that perfectly blends retro styling with modern engineering, and this particular example is nothing short of immaculate. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you do not want to miss the incredible cars we have lined up for you in the coming weeks. Now, take a look at this Thunderbird. In silver metallic, it gleams under every angle of light, showing off its perfectly preserved factory paint. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. From its long, elegant hood to its sleek, aerodynamic curves, this car is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. The styling pays homage to the classic Thunderbirds of the 1950s and 1960s, but with all the reliability, comfort, and refinement of the 21st century. And let's talk about that presence. This is a car that doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. Pop open the door and you are greeted by a cockpit that is all about driver enjoyment. The seats are perfectly maintained, wrapped in soft leather that has that gentle, supple feel that only comes from low miles and careful care. This car is a convertible with a hard top, giving you the best of both worlds, a sleek coupe profile when you want refinement, and a wind in your hair driving experience when the mood strikes. The fit and finish on this Thunderbird are remarkable, showing zero signs of wear, which is rare for a car of this era. Every button, every gauge, every switch feels crisp and responsive, and the interior is spotless, smelling of classic leather with just the faint hint of new car nostalgia. Under the hood, this Thunderbird is powered by a 3.9-liter V8, a naturally aspirated, gem-producing, smooth, torquey power that is perfectly suited for a luxury cruiser. This is paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission which shifts effortlessly, making city driving a breeze while also giving you enough control to enjoy those long stretches of open road. The EFI system ensures precise fuel delivery and reliability, while the four-wheel power disc brakes give you confidence in every stop. With power steering, cruise control, and a fully independent suspension, this car feels like it floats on the road, yet it responds beautifully when you want to push it. The Thunderbird's convertible top is fully operational and works flawlessly. You can remove the hard top to instantly transform it into a classic open-air cruiser, perfect for scenic drives or showing off at a weekend car meet. The mechanism is smooth, and the fitment is perfect, giving you both style and practicality. Combine that with its low original mileage, and you have a car that is essentially a modern-day time capsule, original, pristine, and ready to impress collectors and enthusiasts alike. Driving this Thunderbird is an experience that is hard to put into words. The engine starts instantly, its V8 growl turning heads before you even move. The transmission engages seamlessly, giving you smooth acceleration whether you're cruising down the highway or merging onto a busy street. Steering is precise, yet weighted perfectly for effortless long-distance driving, and the ride quality, exceptional. This car was built to be comfortable and luxurious, with the suspension tuned to absorb road imperfections while keeping the body stable and poised. Every turn, every acceleration, every gentle brake press reminds you that this isn't just a car, it's a thoroughly refined driving experience. What makes this particular Thunderbird even more special is its rarity in the current market. With low miles, original silver metallic paint, and all the factory options intact, it sits at the top of the collector market. These cars are highly sought after, especially in convertible form with the hardtop. Enthusiasts and collectors alike recognize the value of owning a Thunderbird that has been preserved this well. It's not just about driving pleasure, it's about investing in a piece of automotive history. Now let's talk numbers, because I know many of you are curious. A Thunderbird of this caliber in this condition, with low original mileage, commands a price that reflects both its desirability and rarity. Today, examples like this one are valued around $22,000 to $25,000. Yes, you heard that right. A collectible, meticulously maintained, low-mileage 2004 Thunderbird in silver metallic with a hardtop can easily fetch over 20 grand. For enthusiasts who want a car that is not only beautiful but also has the pedigree and authenticity to back it up, this is a smart investment. Unlike some modern vehicles that depreciate rapidly, the Thunderbird's timeless design and limited production mean that a well-kept example can hold or even appreciate in value over time. Let's circle back to the driving experience. The power delivery is linear and responsive, making highway merging effortless and freeway cruising a pleasure. The exhaust note is refined yet distinctly American, with a subtle growl that announces the V8 without being overwhelming. The car's rear-wheel drive layout gives it that classic, slightly sporty feel without ever compromising safety or comfort. Whether you're taking it out for a weekend drive along the coast, attending a local car show, or simply enjoying a sunny afternoon, the Thunderbird delivers a driving experience that feels both luxurious and exhilarating. In terms of maintenance and reliability, this Thunderbird benefits from Ford's durable engineering. The 3.9-liter V8 is known for being smooth, reliable, and surprisingly long-lived, provided it's maintained properly. Replacement parts, while slightly specialized due to the car's retro styling, are still relatively easy to find, and the car's simplicity compared to modern vehicles means there's less to go wrong. The combination of low miles, careful ownership, and the car's inherent durability makes this Thunderbird not only a joy to drive, but also a practical classic for someone who wants a daily or weekend cruiser. Every angle of this car tells a story. From its sweeping fender lines to the sculpted hood and elegant rear deck, it captures the essence of American automotive design with a modern touch. The silver metallic paint enhances every curve, catching sunlight beautifully and emphasizing the Thunderbird's retro-modern appeal. The interior, with its pristine leather, wood-like accents, and perfectly preserved controls, invites you to sit down and enjoy every second behind the wheel. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you experience, a car you savor. Collectors take notice of details, and this Thunderbird is full of them. Original factory badges, well-maintained trim, and a clean undercarriage all contribute to the car's investment-grade status. Even subtle touches, like the precise alignment of the hardtop and the flawless operation of the convertible soft top, make this car feel special and rare. It's a vehicle that rewards those who appreciate the finer details and understand the value of authenticity. So if you've been looking for a classic American convertible that combines style, power, and exclusivity, this 2004 Ford Thunderbird is everything you could want and more. With a low mileage, original silver metallic finish, a smooth 3.9-liter V8, 5-speed automatic transmission, full power accessories, and a convertible hardtop, this is a car that is both a thrilling drive and a smart collector's purchase. And at a price point of around $22,000 to $25,000, it represents one of the most exciting and attainable collector cars from the early 2000s. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss your chance to experience one of the most elegant, powerful, and collectible Thunderbirds ever made. Whether you're a longtime enthusiast or a newcomer to classic cars, this Thunderbird is sure to impress, delight, and make every drive an event. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more incredible vehicles that bring together performance, style, and history. This 2004 Ford Thunderbird isn't just a car, it's a legend reborn, and it's waiting for someone who truly appreciates its beauty, craftsmanship, and legacy.